As China charts its future through the 15th five-year plan, the ripple effects are expected to extend beyond its borders, offering new opportunities for the Caribbean and Latin America. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
With its focus on innovative technologies, green energy, and infrastructure development, China is likely to expand its investments and collaborations in the region.
Well, first of all, China and Jamaica and the Caribbean have already developed a very strong economic, trade, and investment relationship. I think the upcoming five-year plan is also going to include some regulations and policies and proposals for further developing relations with countries in the Caribbean, and that would include more financing for infrastructure development and stronger bilateral trade relations and more investment opportunities from the Chinese businesses, including Chinese tech industries, which are having a very strong interest in the Caribbean market. And at the same time, the Chinese market, domestic market, is going to further open up to products from Jamaica and other Caribbean countries, primarily agricultural products and other products are highly welcome here in the Chinese market. And overall, I think politically, economically, the two countries or the two regions are going to have stronger relationship. That I also think will benefit from people-to-people exchange. We have already arranged scholarships for students from the Caribbean region to study in Chinese universities for bachelor's degrees and master's degree. And I'm very confident that such scholarship opportunities are going to expand further in the next 5 years for students from the region.
This could mean increased funding for renewable energy projects, such as solar and wind farms, helping Caribbean nations diversify their energy sources and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. The two sessions focusing on China's economic plans over the next 5 years came to an end on the weekend. The 15th five-year plan focuses on internal and external economic development, the digital economy, and connectivity. This aligns well with Latin America and the Caribbean efforts to improve infrastructure, boost trade, and foster regional integration. Chinese investments in ports, transportation, and technology could enhance regional trade routes, making it easier for Latin America and Caribbean countries to access global markets. Additionally, as China promotes sustainable development and green initiatives, Caribbean nations may benefit from environmentally friendly projects that support climate resilience, vital for island nations vulnerable to climate change.
Well, in terms of climate change and sustainability, China has developed a very strong renewable energy sector. China's newly installation of renewable energy capacity in terms of solar and wind power exceeded more than half the world's share in 2025. And China has already worked with countries in Global South, including countries in the Caribbean, in terms of developing locally grown renewable energy sector. And I think China will continue to invest in the solar industry, which I think is going very strong in Jamaica and the Caribbean because of the benefits from long days of sunshine in the region. So that's a great investment opportunity for Chinese renewable energy sector. At the same time, it's going to be a very beneficial opportunity for people in the Caribbean to gradually divert from fossil fuel-based economy to a more renewable energy-based economy.
In essence, China's development plans could serve as a catalyst for regional economic growth, infrastructure modernization, and sustainable development, creating new avenues for cooperation and prosperity across Latin America and the Caribbean. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.